The Rack Shop is proud to present this Toyota Tacoma with the Yakima JetStream SkyLine base roof rack system. This is utilizing landing pad 24, and that's using the fixed points inside the roof of the Tacoma, which should be good from 05 through 22 double cab. But click the link in the description below or visit our website, therackshop.com, for complete details and specifications. As far as specs go, it should be 165 pound carrying capacity. Crossbar spacing is a little over 40 inches. Again, click the link for exact measurements. You also want to make note of that bar spacing because not all accessories will work with this wide crossbar spacing. Another note here, we have the 60-inch load bars, whereas the Yakima Fit Guide calls for 50-inch bars. So we have another video with 50-inch bars, so you can check that out and see the difference, but you've got 5 extra inches on each side. So if you want more space, you might bump up to the next size load bar, but 50-inch is the base recommendation from Yakima. So you take a good look at this fitment. And the SkyLine tower does connect the bar to the landing pad. It does have a quick release feature. So it is recommended to get locks, which are available separate. Not required, but it is recommended. That would replace this plug here. When the lock's engaged, you're unable to pull open this cover and then remove the crossbar. So a good idea to pick up a set of locks. Easy enough to install down the road if you want. Another cool note about this, we do have crossbars installed. Core bars can also be used, and also the Yakima lock and load platform. So that's pretty cool as well. So check that out. Visit our website, therackshop.com, for more details on that. It's just another great cargo carrying option. But yeah, this has been just kind of a quick walk around tour of the system installed on the truck. Great option for a lot of applications, but again, check the fit guide for use with specific gear carriers like bike mounts, things like that. Some of those require a more narrow crossbar spacing, which Yakima does offer the baseline fit that clamps onto the door frame and gives you a more narrow crossbar spacing to accommodate those types of accessories. So yeah, any questions, reach out to us, hello@therackshop.com, visit our website, therackshop.com. How many times can I say rack shop? Or better yet, swing by our shop. We're here in North Austin. Come by, we're happy to show you these racks in person, or go over any questions, or plan out the perfect setup for you. So that's it, and thanks for watching.